Man, it's just perfect. Wow. Sakome. So, this is Sakome.
Yeah, Sakome.
Wow. Togo bread.
Yeah, Togo bread.
Man, this is amazing. This is like delicious. Wow. It's amazing, yeah?
Good morning.
What's that? Cocoa bread. Togo bread. Togo bread.
Listen down, it doesn't go bad. There is no moisture in it.
And you know the spaghetti we had
The spaghetti version.
So salad with spaghetti. Everything. And what again? Salt.
Yeah.
And what?
Oil.
Vinegar. So we place inside this. Wow, and also. Wow. So this is Togo bread. Sakome. Okay, so street food inside whole. Hey. Peche. Wow. Wow. That is Sakome. And then what's that? Beef.
Yeah.
Wow. What's again? Sardine. Hey.
You see the France?
Sakome. No. Mama, crab fashion. No. Expect no. Wow. No rubber. So this is Sakome.
Yeah, Sakome.
Wow. Togo bread.
Yeah, Togo bread.
Wow. Let's take a bite.
5 kg.
Sakome.
And the cameo.
Sakome. Wow. Man, this is amazing. This is like delicious. Wow. It's amazing, yeah?
When they send you to market and you don't finish buying the things, don't pass in front of a Sakome store because you won't go home with some of the money.
Wow. So salad and beans, everything, like a bit of oil.
And
Flour street food. Oh, okay. Togo, okay. Man, it's just perfect. Wow. Sakome. Wow. Man, just perfect, just amazing. Wow.